adding overtones here and looking for the best result. That's possible. Yeah, that sounds a little bit trashy. You really have to see what these other modulators make out of that. That's better. That works. No matter what, we need to post-process this. Maybe run it through this chorus a little bit, but then give it some distortion, give it some homicide, give it some compression at the end, give it some vocodecs, give it some multiband compressions, some EQing, some more distortion but only soft, and what else can we put in there for good measure? Maybe, oh yeah, we need the high pass filter. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. The high pass filter at the end. -6 and +6 again here, otherwise it will distort. Let me check the chat real quick because I'm panned again. Oh no, yeah, I'm seriously panned this time. Oh, I didn't pay attention to the thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I fixed it. I hit this interface with my knee and then it happens. I'm really sorry. Really sorry. I should get an alert every time this happens on my screen. Yeah. Mean. Very mean. Yeah, that's where we want to go. But sounds quite dirty and chaotic right now. So let's get this thing organized and put the and my mouse is gone. Where's my mouse? Oh no. It's gonna come back in a moment. There it is. Okay, and here in the multiband distortion, you see that this low frequency is not distorted because otherwise it's gonna be very trashy. Something like that's gonna happen. So I just want to distort the middle and the top end. Beautiful. And now we still have space for a filterscape Q6. Yeah, let's add that once again because I had really good results with this on the last one. Yeah, this video can be watched afterwards. I think it should be recording or something. So what this thing does, I explained it a few times, but if you're new to this, you can set up different EQ curves like this one here, and sharpen those points a little bit, but then go on, make another one that looks like this maybe. Yeah. And then a third one which looks like maybe like that. And then we can alternate between those three. And even have that automated. So is gonna go back and forth between those. Kind of creating a dynamic vowel shaping in the back for us. I don't like that this is just like how it's moved. Can be better. Yeah, this is better. And then together with a high pass filter, which should be behind the vocodecs. That's important. We could create some interesting noises. So let's make a MIDI track. Dip-a-dip-a-dee. And this one should go all the way down. The problem is, somehow I can't use my pitch bend wheel on this thing because it just doesn't work sometimes. So I will link the pitch of all the oscillators to modulator X, and then we can automate modulator X separate and do our thing with both modulators. So I'll just take this down here, and then we have both tracks that need modulating here. So which one is X, which one is Y, this one is X. So I can I have easy, I think this is, sometimes this line is easier to control than the pitch automation in here. That is a bad thing about Cubase, that in the pitch automation here you don't have lines you connect, but you have these stupid steps. Same with the mod wheel automation. It's the worst. What did I want to do? Wanted to do some weird pitching here. Something like that. I don't know. And this gets something like this. Damn, 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 damn. And the sound will be better later on, don't worry, because I still want to edit the main sound a lot later on, because after you have the effects set up, only then you know how it really will sound like and what it will sound like in the end, and then you can go back to the drawing board here and edit these things. Why is my mouse this weird pointy finger? It wasn't like that before. Why the hell? Or do I notice that just now? We can add some more of these operators to the modulation list here. To make the sound more, give it more movement. That might even be a little bit too much, but yeah, you get my point. And then I still have this high pass here that can do some movements. Which are very important for the general Yeah. Something like that. Gives the whole thing a little bit more movement, and this bass region needs to be compressed a little bit more, I think. We can even make a group now, because I am running out of slots to put my effects into. So I run this citrus into a group, and here I can add even more effects, because I thought that another distortion can hurt, like the saturator we used before. Yeah. Yeah, this is quite nice now. I am happy with that. Just put another compressor on it on the end. Doesn't matter. And then let's take away all the sub that this sound has and create our separate sub with massive again. It should sound a little bit cleaner this way now. And touch up the sound a little bit, so yeah, this is our sub sign once again. Monophonic, perfect. And since I don't want to recreate this pitch movement now that we had to draw on this line, I will just make a knob in massive to modulate the pitch just like in Citrus, and then I'll just copy the pitch line over there. That is the trick. Should work, I think. Okay, so this is the pitch line, copied into there, and now okay, I have to turn it up 1 octave. Yeah, that works. And now we can still make dramatic changes to the main sound by changing the overtones here. Like, you have tons of options here. We could even turn up the tone of some of these operators here and create something zomboid-like. Oh god, that's very weird. Yeah, this is going down the wrong path here. Yeah, this is better. Let's keep it that way. This is okay. Okay, let me check the chat. Panda is still here. Oh my god, for how long have you been here? You've stayed through the whole session somehow. Yeah, the sound could still be better. Like, in Ableton you have a little bit more useful options to edit a Citrus sound, I think. Like, that's just my opinion. Like, what you need here is massive amounts of vocodecs and massive amounts of this vowel EQing. And the main sound could also be better. We could make some weird make it a bit neuro-like. Yeah. This is cool. Wow. Hehe. Okay. Let's stop that for a moment. Yeah, this needs heavy compression. Maybe even another vocodex or something. Maybe that could. This is better. Even though the vocodex is more obvious now, but fuck that. This is cooler. But the sound is really messy. I had better ones. But yeah. Can work with that. Let's save that for a moment, or put it on F. And turn it on 140 BPMs, and let's save that as a sample right now, so this isn't lost. This is F, 140 BPMs, and it's the citrus growl. So we don't go out of here with nothing. I could, so far I've just been doing stuff where I roughly know what I'm doing, but like this is the part where you can start to totally experiment, like have this loop here, and then just do whatever, like let's just click a bunch of these buttons here. And see if it makes the sound any better. What the hell did I do there? But well, since it's FM synthesis, you can just most of the time end up with a huge mess. What happened? Did I do something wrong? What the hell? Ah, damn, I guess. That makes absolutely no sense. Yeah, let's just stop this. Though this is not bad, again. Yeah, this is quite useful. Let's make an electro drum line, or just for the sake of it, let's import a drum loop, just so we can work with something. Let's just really just take one of these here, just so we can work with something. Just for the moment, because it would take ages to make one now. And make a quick sidechain as well, so we can run this through a group, just to make a cool bass line with this now. So, did that happen? Did the group actually? Yeah, group number 2. Beautiful. So let's set up the sidechain real quick. For my sidechain I use Compassion together with a white noise sample as the trigger sound, but because I'm too lazy to grab it, I'll just grab a kick drum from this loop here real quick and copy it and send this to the sidechain and send our citrus sound through the sidechain. Oh, it's going to group 1, group 1 needs to go to group 2, and then this is quite cool already. I can totally see this working. Nice. Let's make this go through the group as well. Oh no, group 2. It's group 2. Kind of reminds me of the track Turn It Up by Far Too Loud. Beautiful. First I just want to save that so it's not lost. This is an F now. Yeah, okay, so let's export that again. F128, export, and then save this project as Sound Design Citrus 1, and then make another save as number 2, so if I make changes now it doesn't get lost. So now we can make a cooler line. This is very, very weird, but sounds good. Okay. Let's make a nice line here with some dedicated automation. Now the sub, of course, needs the same automation for the pitch and the same line in general, which has to be turned up a few notches. Oh, that was wrong. That was the wrong way around. I have to delete this and copy this here. So this is loud as fuck over here. Ha! Why not? Let's let me load one of my self-made presets and see what we can add in there. Yeah, that's what we need. We need that in between there. Wow! It could be a remix of Destroy Them with Lasers if you kind of hint at its theme with this. That would kind of be a very sneaky sort of remix. just for the sake of it, trying it out here. And now you're going to die. Cool, but let's totally save this. Like, this is very, very useful. I think what helped was turning the vocodecs to this very lo-fi setting where it almost goes into this mode. it has this really bubbly sound. Oh no, I broke it. This is such an unstable sound. Some producers may know what I mean. When your sound is just unstable and ever changing no matter what you do. Okay, let's save that too, and just trying out stuff. Don't mind me, don't mind me. Yeah, could be used like that, but still very, very messy. But nice. Let's also save this project. And yeah, what I was talking about. Now we have exported some of these sounds, like some of these bass loops, and they are over here. Where's that? Yeah, these two citrus grows here. We can now post-process them even further. I think the first one is better. So now I have the loop here, and this will explain why I was only working with samples of bass sounds earlier, because I resampled them like this, and then we put the Reactor 5 effect on this. And here we have a nice effect plugin called Buff Eater, made by the beautiful company called Twisted Tools. And